welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Life Heal. So today's talk, let's not talk whole show, because being a dietitian is not all about food, what to eat, what not to eat. It's about exercise too, because what is the benefit of exercise? Mood stability, better strength, and then you can preserve your muscle mass, maintain the weight, because after 30 you have to maintain your status of muscle mass, again boost your hormonal status, and other consequences of if you eat out also you tend to gain weight to for it boost your liver system. Also it also enhance our immune system. Okay, so not only the diet, you also do some exercise. Let's go. Hello guys, let's do some exercise. So I have brought some dumbbells. Let's do sidewise. We can do sidewise like this for our love handles, for our upper chest as well. Yeah, at least for 10-15 minutes on a daily basis you can do. I'm just showing you how you used to do. I'm doing it 5 kgs of this one, 5 kg here, 5 kg here. So let's see how you used to do. Just try to hold it for a second. For beginners it may be tough, because I used to do for after my surgery of my forearm fracture, so that I can boost my at least forearm after surgery. Then I used to do this one. Get motivated guys, because there's nothing you can do. You have to do yourself, you have to excel yourself against any odd. You can count. You can hear the sound of your muscles. Maybe go slowly 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then you can increase. Right. Then I can do this one, somewhat like squat. Start as you're comfortable. It's not necessary. Sometimes you can spread your legs. Some may be comfortable with narrowing their legs. So it depends how you're comfortable. So just start with how you're comfortable, then you can go with it. Just for you guys to show how that to be healthcare professionals, not only the diet, it's your active lifestyle. You have to do lots of things, physical activity, and explore the world also. Thank you guys, like and subscribe.